Now I am explaining in this video question number 18 from paper 1H November 2023. Before this, I will advise you to watch the cosine rule video because this is an application of cosine rule. So here the diagram shows the positions of three villages A, B and C. You can see it's like a triangle and there are bearings given. The bearing of B from A is 0.54. This one bearing is nothing but angles measured in the clockwise direction from the north direction at any point. Okay, this is 54 and this one is 132. Melur walks from A to B 3.6 kilometers. We can see she then walks from B to C, which is 8.4 kilometers, and from C to A. We don't know the distance. Melur walks at an average speed of 6 kilometers per hour. Work out the total time Melur takes. Give your answer in hours and minutes. How many marks does it carry? 5 marks. Okay. Now remember that when they have given us the speed and they are asking us to find the time, we need to know the total distance. Okay. And for the total distance, I have this, so I need to find this missing side of the triangle. Now for the missing side, I can find if two sides are already given. If I know this particular angle, I can easily find this using the cosine rule. So now what we do, we just use some properties and find the missing angle. If this is 54, this will be 180 minus 54. I'm just showing it here, which will be 116. Is that correct? Or 126? 126. So this is 126. And once I've got that as 126 and this is 132, this part will be 360 minus that much, which will be 678, 360. It will be 2, 3, 4, 5. How much will that be? So this I got as 102 degrees. Is it looking like 102 degrees? 1 second. Yeah, it's correct. 102 degrees I got. So now see in the triangle ABC, forget all the other angles. You have a side, you have another side, and you have the angle between them. So I can easily find AC. AC square is equal to 3.6 square plus 8.4 square minus 2 times 3.6 times 8.4 cosine of 102. 102. This is cosine of 102. Okay. So AC will be square root of your answer. Remember, many times I saw in class when you're directly putting square root symbol here, it was showing error. So first get this answer carefully and then you press square root and answer. There is an answer key in your calculator. And you should get your answer as, let me check. I am getting 96.094 dot. Okay, take your full answer as it is, so that once you take the square root, I got 9.8022 something, which can be taken as 9.80, which can be taken as 9.8. Okay, one decimal place here. So now what is my total distance? My distance becomes, I will just change the color. So my total distance is 3.6 plus 8.4 plus 9.8, which is 6, 4, 10, 18, 4, 8, 4, 12, 21.8. This is my total distance and my speed is 6 kilometers per hour. Okay. So how do I find my time? My time will be 21.8 divided by 6, this many hours. So that will be 3.38 will be 6 and then 6 and 2, 6, 3, 3 like that. Okay, but this has to be converted into hours and minutes. So what you can do, you can either multiply, leave the 3 hours separately and 0.633 multiplied with 60, or in calculator there is a key which will give you the hours and minutes also. Whichever method you find easy, you can do. So 3 hours anyway, and you have 0.633 times 60. It will approximately be 6 3s are 18, 6 3s are 18, 19, and 6s are 36, 37, 1, 2, 3. Sorry, there is a 6, 1, 2, 3, 37.98. So we can put it as 38 minutes. Okay, but once again in the calculator there is a way where you can put the decimal, and there is, see, there is a key which shows like this 1 mark and there is 2 marks. Okay, so if you press this and press this one, it will show you clearly as 3 hours and 38 minutes, like this. Okay, this is the key in the calculator. Otherwise you can just multiply the decimal part with 60 and you get your answer. Hope it is clear.